Welcome back to Decor Insider. If you live in the city, you know the struggle: tiny spaces, busy schedules, and sometimes not enough sunlight. But here's the good news. You don't need a huge yard or hours of work to enjoy a beautiful garden. The secret is choosing the right plant. Today, we'll look at 10 low-maintenance perennials that are perfect for small urban gardens. They're tough, easy to grow, and keep your outdoor space looking fresh year after year. 1. Hosta, the shade lover. If your balcony or garden corner gets more shade than sun, hosta is your friend. These plants come in lush greens, blues, and even patterned leaves with creamy edges. Once they're established, they need very little care. Plant them under trees, beside walls, or in those shady spots where nothing else grows. Their bold leaves give a rich, tropical feel, without demanding much from you. 2. Daylily, the colorful performer. Next, we have daylilies. These are hardy, drought-tolerant plants that burst with color in summer. You'll find them in yellow, orange, red, even pink. Each bloom lasts only one day, but don't worry. The plant produces so many flowers, you'll enjoy weeks of color. Perfect for small beds, narrow strips of soil, or even containers. Daylilies are a true plant-it-and-forget-it perennial. 3. Lavender, beauty and fragrance. Few plants bring charm to an urban space like lavender. Its silvery leaves and purple blooms look elegant, and the fragrance is calming. Plus, it's drought-resistant, so if you forget to water, it's fine. Lavender is also pollinator-friendly. Bees and butterflies will love your balcony or garden. 4. Sedum or stonecrop, the survivor. If you often forget to water, sedum is the plant for you. It has fleshy leaves that store water, almost like a succulent. It thrives in poor soil and loves full sun. Use sedum along pathways, in rock gardens, or in containers. 5. Black-eyed Susan, the cheerful classic. Every garden needs a little sunshine, and that's what black-eyed Susan gives you. Its golden yellow petals with a dark center bloom from midsummer right into fall. This plant is tough, easy to care for, and attracts butterflies. 6. Yarrow, the tough beauty. Yarrow, also called achillea, is a hardy choice for urban gardens. It has feathery leaves and clusters of flowers that come in yellow, pink, or white. Once it's established, yarrow barely needs any water. It's a pollinator magnet too, bringing bees and butterflies to your garden. Yarrow works well in sunny patios, rooftop gardens, or even roadside spaces. It gives a soft, meadow-like charm even in the middle of the city. 7. Heuchera, or coral bells, the foliage star. Not every plant needs flowers to be beautiful. Take heuchera, also known as coral bell. It's grown for its colorful leaves, deep burgundy, chocolate brown, lime green, even silver. Heuchera is compact, easy to grow, and perfect for small containers or shaded corners. 8. Coneflower, the pollinator magnet. Coneflowers, or echinacea, are tough, drought-tolerant perennials. Their daisy-like blooms come in shades of pink, purple, and white. They attract bees, butterflies, and even birds that feed on their seeds later in the season. They grow well in poor soil, can handle heat, and bring height to small spaces. If you want a plant that looks good and supports wildlife, coneflowers are perfect. 9. Cranesbill, or perennial geranium, the space saver. Cranesbill is a gentle, spreading perennial that's perfect for ground cover in tight spaces. It fills gaps with its soft foliage and colorful flowers, but it never becomes invasive. It grows in both sun and partial shade, making it versatile. Use it along pathways, to cover bare soil, or in small pot. Cranesbill is reliable, easygoing, and gives a natural, romantic touch. 10. Catmint, the relaxed bloomer. Finally, let's talk about catmint, or nepeta. This plant is famous for its long-lasting purple blooms and aromatic foliage. It's drought-tolerant, low-maintenance, and grows in almost any soil. Catmint has a soft, flowing shape that makes it perfect for borders, balcony planters,